Get her. Get her. Get her. Come on, Rose wants to play. Get her. Get her, Lily. Get her. Play. Go get him. Oh, I missed them playing really cute. Come on, Rosie. Give me that thing. Oh, come on. Give it to me. You're so fast. Yeah, you want me to get it, but you won't give it to me. Ugh. Go play. Go play. Go play, Lily. Get her. Get her, Lily. Get her. Go. Oh, man. Tell you what, as soon as I turn the damn camera on, Lily, you're a brat. You're a brat. Oh, see, Rosie wants to play. She's such a baby. You, Chi-Chi, you. Hey, what do you want to do? What are you going to do today? You guys want to go for a walk, huh? What do you say? Okay. What do you say? Nothing? High five? Cool. Sneeze, little Rosie, sneeze. No, that's speak. Okay. I hear you. Good afternoon, YouTubers. RV Debs here, driving down that road I just drove down last night. I mean, night before last. Hearing weird voices. So I thought I would turn on the camera, because I'm heading toward Walmart, and see if it happens again, because that was the strangest thing I ever went through. It started about like now. But it probably won't happen again, because it never happened before. There is this construction company I'm just passing, but it was Saturday evening, you know, so that shouldn't have been open. But not hearing anything today, which I'm kind of glad. I'm on my way to Walmart. I'm going to buy a really nice full-size blanket, brand new, for Kathleen, who's going to be here tomorrow, and I want her to have something really nice for the couch that opens up to the jackknife bed or whatever it is. Pick up a few things, but I know we'll go grocery shopping, her and I together, so just a couple things, and then got some laundry to do, not too much. I hate laundry, but that's just my normal stuff. And I cleaned up the house pretty good, and we'll just go from there. She's on the bus, on a Greyhound bus. I just communicated with her. It's going to be a long night for her, so got to make her bed comfortable. No sounds today. Glad to report. I think it must have been some sort of a radio frequency freak of nature, because it's never happened before, and I have driven down this way many times. So, weird. And I'm glad it's not happening today. It's been a rainy morning in the afternoon. It's not raining right now, but it's very overcast. It probably will rain a little more. I'm hoping we have a real nice week ahead. And that's about it for now. Talk to you later. This is a rainy afternoon. Oops, sorry. Just thought I'd show you the same road I came up on, what it looks like right now. Yikes. I sure hope it's not like this when I go to Mobile tomorrow morning to pick up Cat. That would be no fun. And it's going to be no fun to bring groceries in the house right now. Oh boy. Yeah. Not really a fan of driving in the rain. I know, I took my seatbelt off. This is amazing. Holy shit. Excuse my language. I don't think I've ever driven this road in this kind of rain before. I'm going to take my time. Poor Rosie. I can only imagine how she's feeling right now. Oh, baby. This sucks. I think it looks better on the video while I'm videoing, but it's really crappy in person. Oh, it's raining. Yeah, right. Hilltop RV Park. Well, you guys, I hope you're all having a better drive home if you're driving than me today. But I'm almost home. Another adventure to go to Walmart. Glad I have new tires. Enjoyed the ride. Poor Rosie. Almost there though. Finally. Oh, it's gonna be awful taking these groceries out. Yeesh. At least we're high and dry pretty much. Yeah, we don't flood out, but some of the parks around here do. gonna turn around and back in. So I can be close to my door. Talk to you guys later. Good evening, YouTubers. RV Debs here with Rosie and Lily. And we're all ready for my friend Kat to come. There's a blanket, a nice new blanket. I got all kinds of stuff in the fridge. This is by request. Mama Bear here's. Let's see if I get a good shot. This is Angel. That's the name of the horse. The lady that bought it. That's what she's calling it. Angel. It's beautiful. I'm so glad somebody really loves it. I love it too. Anyway, I've got this kind of I'll take away the horse and it'll be nice, so she'll have that area and she can put her purse here and shoes. So we got space. I'm going to clear that completely off tonight. And we're going to just be fine here. I can't wait. Anyway, I'm going to stop the video here and then face you guys for a couple minutes more before I end the video. Hi, everybody. Okay. I decided I would, I haven't really answered the comments from yesterday's video. I got a lot. So what I'm going to try to do now is kind of answer some of the comments and questions. First of all, the voices I heard in the truck when I was on my way to bingo is a mystery. I think the consensus is that it's possible to have some sort of two-way radio intermission in a speaker. So that's all I can think of because it seemed like it was coming from a speaker behind me. Just, small voices like a ham radio or whatever. Never happened again, which is good. If it does, I hope I get it on video again, right? Okay, what else? Also, as far as dating, the dating scene goes, it's not probably going to work out that great, but I'm very careful. I want you to know I will never allow someone to meet me here. It would always be in a public place. And I won't let anyone know that I have a YouTube channel, for sure. Not until we are in a relationship, which I'm not sure I'm really ready for one. And I've spoken only to one on the phone, and I've spoken in email to about, I guess maybe 3 people, 4 people. And so far, the guy on the phone, he had a nice picture. He was 420 friendly, blah, blah, blah. And basically what he was looking for, and he was very honest, is someone to play with weekdays. That he was busy on weekends with a woman friend that he didn't have sex with, but he was looking for, a playmate during the week, that he used 420 just for sex. And I'm like, okay, I use it for anxiety and relaxation. I don't use it to have sex. That was, he was a real nice person, and he did the Alabama yes ma'am. If you get in the mood, ma'am, you can always call me. I'm like, yeah. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Putting myself out there, it's weird. But it is fun to look through the different profiles they send you, and you can go yes, maybe, and no. And you see their picture, you can check on their profile. And I find myself just kind of doing no, 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 oh no. Oh, maybe, I'll read a profile, maybe. But so far, nada. And I'm going to be very careful, so don't worry about me, I promise. That's it. Man, it rained like cats and dogs. I mean, it was... You couldn't even see the road in front of you at one point. And lots of puddles. There was flash floods somewhere in this county. But I got home safely and got my groceries out of the car. And Rosie's made it fine. It's kind of funny because when I came to the door, it's pouring out and she had her toy in her mouth. Like her normal greeting. Like, throw it and I'll play. So, anyway, she just gets emotional. But she's fine now. I'm fine now. Tomorrow morning, I have to pick up my friend, and I look forward to it. So, that's it. And then she'll be coming on my videos with me, and I know she doesn't mind. So, it'll be fun to have her around and have company, and not just company, but like, just have the best friend you could ever have. She's that kind of friend. So until tomorrow, I hope you're all having a good evening and happy Monday. And, is it Monday? Oh my gosh, I don't even know what it is. Yeah, Monday. Yeah, because she's coming Tuesday. All right, that's it for me. I am going to be out of here. Peace out. Talk to you real soon. I'll probably do some videoing on the way to the station, and I'm going to Mobile, so it's a first for me. So I will video tomorrow. Thanks for listening and watching and caring. I appreciate it. If I didn't get back to your comment, I will try to do some later tonight. But otherwise, I read every one of them. Thanks. Talk to you soon.